Let me show you how to use the reverse function on your mini sewing machine. So if you are sewing and essentially you want to armor your stitch, go over it various times, essentially we can also do that on this model. So this is essentially the switch that we need to hold if we want to go in reverse. So while you are sewing, so at any moment if you want to actually switch to the reverse sewing, you simply hold this down. So, and as long as you're holding, it will actually basically be going in the reverse. As soon as you release it, it will actually switch to the forward motion. So you see, if you are sewing, put it down, it will go in reverse. So I'm going to start my machine, so I will switch to the low mode so you can easily follow. So you see, okay, need to insert battery, sorry. Okay, again, you see, going forward. So you see, yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, so, and this is what it looks like when we are going in reverse multiple times. So you see, very, very thick. And on the other side, so I have a bunch of threads here. So you see also, yeah, and overall, yeah, the finish actually from this machine is actually very good, decent. Black.